What I also do when somebody fills in this form is I will send an email to myself. I can't show you that right now because a couple of people have already signed up, so to protect their privacy, and as this is a live video, so I can't go into that section. It's fairly straightforward. You then set up so you get an email as soon as somebody fills in that form, and it just keeps you in the loop that this page is working fine and there's not a problem. Because if I usually have these form submits on a regular basis. Pretty much every few hours somebody will sign up. If it stops for any number of reasons, I can go in here and check if something has broken or changed or not working. So it's a good way to just ping yourself an email that somebody has signed up. I also then have this form linked to my ActiveCampaign email automation. So you go into my email list. It's all automated, so I don't need to manually, or somebody has to do it manually. Every time somebody fills in that form, you have to enter them into your email list. I will do a little session on email marketing as well, as to how we link these together and what to do when you got these emails. And this is how my landing page and the thank you page has been set up in Unbounce.